Guys, in today's video I'll share with you how I was able to get 50,000 subscribers within 2 months. If you don't know, I literally started this month, like this year, with less than 20,000 subscribers. I haven't even got to 20,000 subscribers when I started 2024, okay? And even as at 6 months ago, I have not even gotten up to 30,000 subscribers, okay? But all of this spike and everything that just happened to transform my channel to 50,000 subscribers happened within just this 60 days, okay? And this is me trying to tell you guys what I did exceptionally, what I did differently, and how you can also do that to be able to achieve your own aim, okay? So hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it is the first time seeing, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's get right into this video. So guys, the first thing I did to be able to crack this code is to be more strategic when it comes to my titling. Your titlings are very important. If you don't have that title that can capture people's attention, if you don't have that title that can capture audience attention, your video is still just going to be where it is. Your video is just still going to be in that same level. You will still be struggling. So you can have a great content, but without a good title or without a great title, everything regarding that particular great content will be messed up. So the first thing I try my possible best to do is to re-strategize my titling. What kind of titling can I put out here? And when I mean titling, please don't go and start doing clickbait. Probably you're not talking about 1,000 subscribers and then all of a sudden you start talking about 1,000 subscribers, or you don't even know your videos is not relating to a particular thing, and then you're putting that particular thing because you just want people to watch that video. Don't do clickbait, please. All you need to do is to look for strategic means of getting your subscribers. Take for example, you can see a video that I did on how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. A lot of people have been doing 1,000 subscribers, but I tagged my how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. The first thing that will hit your head when you want to watch that video is 3 days. You understand? Can you get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days? Yes. Is it possible that you get it? Yes. Is it doable? Are people getting 1,000 subscribers even in less than 3 days? Yes. Is it everybody that will get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days? No. You understand? But that video was working directly and exactly to what I showed on that particular video. So I make sure that my titling were very strategic. My titling were also straight to the point. My titling was telling you, okay, this is the kind of video you're coming to watch and this is it. Okay. So the second thing I did that skyrockets my YouTube channel is to post more consistently. Like when I mean post, I mean film more and then upload more. And I know that back then, 2 years, 3 years, or even when I entered 2024, I was not uploading consistently as I was supposed to upload. I was just uploading probably 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. Then I challenged myself and I told myself that I want to be posting consistently. And when I mean I want to be posting consistently, sometimes I even post more than 2 videos. Sometimes I post 3 videos in a day. Sometimes I post just 1, but I just try my possible best that within those 30 period, I will make sure that I put out at least 30 videos. And I noticed that as I was doing that, I was getting a lot of subscribers. And in uploading consistently that I was doing, I was not only focusing on long form content, I was also focusing on long form content. I was focusing on short content. I was also focusing on my community post, and I was also going live stream. So I remember I was going live stream like 4 times or 5 times in a week. There was a week I was even going live stream like every day. Later I have to reduce it so that they said health is wealth. I said okay, I'll just be doing it 3 times in a week, Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays, and I keep doing that consistently for over 60 days now or more than. And any day that I know that, okay, maybe I have some unforeseen circumstances and I can't come live, I will like update my audience. So in uploading consistently, I get subscribers from long form videos. I get subscribers from short form videos. I get subscribers from my community, and I also get subscribers from my live stream videos. So yes, if you don't know, you can get subscribers from live stream video, because a lot of people will be like, I never even knew that live stream videos can give you subscribers. Yes, they can give you subscribers. So that was the second thing that I do, be more consistent on YouTube with all of my upload. Then the third thing that I did to be able to elevate me or skyrocket me to my 50,000 subscribers is to be more intentional about my thumbnails. Are something that I just find out that they are very important. My thumbnails are more to make you click. No matter how I have a great content, if there is no good thumbnail there, you are not going to click. And till date, as I'm filming this particular video, I am still working on my thumbnail. Thumbnails is something you don't need to joke with. So if you're looking forward to also get this massive results, you should not joke with your thumbnail, because one of my videos that skyrocketed, I got over 300 or something thousand views. Most people were clicking on that particular video because of, one, the thumbnail, and secondly, the title. You see, these two things are very, very important. See, I said it in one of my videos that now you need to take YouTube as a business, not a side hustle. So I knew that YouTube was a business thing for me, and I have to work on all my crafts, and that my craft is also my thumbnail. So I try in as much as possible to create thumbnails that are eye-catchy, to create thumbnails that people can at least click, to create thumbnail that can be able to put me out there. You understand what I'm trying to say? That was the third thing I was able to do to be able to skyrocket my YouTube channel to this particular level. Then the fourth thing that I did to be able to skyrocket my YouTube channel to this level, and you too can also do it, is to be more intentional about my description is short and quick. I don't have that time to come and start writing a very lengthy description. The only things I really do not joke with, that I know that okay can actually pop my video out there, my tags and my keywords. These two things are very important. So if you're joking with them, please quit joking with them. I know that when I started, I don't know so many information until I started doing most of my recent research, and I noticed that tags and keywords are something that can put you out there in the SEO. And with my tags and keywords video and that I started attaching in my description, it became a whole lot of changes for me. So yes, you too can be more intentional about your tags, your description, and then your keywords as well, because those are some of the things that can push out your videos or your channel out there. The fifth thing that I did, I think is a 15 now, the fifth thing that I did to be able to elevate my subscribers from where it is to over 50,000 subscribers is bringing content that has value. To be honest, if you don't bring content that has value on this YouTube street, people might just watch you and not subscribe. Yeah, there are people that have more views than I have, but they're not even getting up to 50,000 subscribers. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. People can watch. There's a difference between people are watching you and then you are getting watch and then you're getting subscribers. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So I try as much as possible to bring that thing that can bring value to my community, to bring that thing that can bring value to the public. I try as much as possible to bring that goods and services that you can buy, okay? And from bringing those goods and services, a lot of people are able to watch my videos and then subscribe to my videos. And when I'm bringing my content that has value, I don't only end in content that has value. I still try in as much as possible to do some practical tutorials so that you can also see that, okay, this lady is not only just talking, this lady is also doing so many tutorials. And I can proudly hit my chest and tell you so many content creators right now copied from me. Yeah, I can tell you that so many content creators are doing exactly what I am doing. So many content creators notice that, okay, this is the angle that Vibe with Sonia is making it now, and they are switching to that particular angle. And I'm not even angry about it, because why? YouTube is a big environment. So if you can also do the same thing, if you can also watch what Vibe with Sonia is doing and feel like, okay, you need to bring value to your community, why not? You go ahead. YouTube is a big platform that even if you're copying my content or I am copying your content, we are all making our own separate money, okay? My video can go viral, your own might not go viral, your own might go viral, my own might not go viral, you understand? So the most important thing is value. I try to bring value. I try my possible best to know that in every content I'm putting out here, my community should be able to get one thing as value. And because my community are getting that value, is not only allowing them to just watch and subscribe, it will allow them to watch, subscribe, and come back for the next video. You understand what I'm trying to say? So value is everything. If you check your content from beginning to the end and you are not putting in value, please, it is high time for you to walk your way around to be able to bring value to this particular community. So the 16 that I did that enabled me to skyrocket is listening to my audience, what they want, and me delivering that particular thing that they want. Okay, if you check in most of my videos, I will not say 100% of my videos, because I know from where I started I was not doing that. In most of my videos, I'll always tell you that, oh, if you have any video you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section. The reason why I am here is for me to film a video for you. So I asked my audience to ask me questions, ask me the kind of video that they want, and in as much as they're asking, I try my possible best to bring that video down to their table. So because one person asks and I deliver, it will enable another person to ask and you can also deliver. Okay, yes, you cannot meet up to everybody's request once, but on a gradual process, you keep answering their request one after the other. Because I noticed that a lot of people joke with feedbacks a lot. I am one of those people that joke with feedbacks 2 years, 3 years ago. Yes, because sometimes I see some of my commenters will just comment, oh, this kind of video in your next this thing, I would like to see this. Then I was even doing more of lifestyle videos, but I would not even just pay attention. But since I started paying attention, I saw a lot of changes. That's why I say YouTube is not just like one-time thing. YouTube is learn on the job. Okay, I started seeing a lot of changes on my channel, and I started seeing more of comments and more of engagement as well. Okay, because you can imagine someone just coming and, oh, this content creator just answered this person, he dropped the question and he just delivered the video. That means I too can also drop a question. I don't know if you guys got what I'm trying to say. So that was the 6th thing that I did to be able to elevate my YouTube channel to 50,000 subscribers. Then the 7th thing that I did to be able to elevate my YouTube channel to the place where it is right now is to be able to develop myself every day. There is no content that I bring here every day that I don't get 1 or 2 things to add. If it's not from my editing, it should be from my filming. If it's not from my filming, it should be from the way I talk. If it's not from my talking, it should be from my editing. In as much as I bring content here every day, I try not to make it so boring. I try not to make it so lengthy that people will lose interest at the end of the day. I feel like it is better for me to do something that is short and quick and people watch and I have that good audience retention than putting out content that at the end of the day, people might not even have so much interest to be able to watch that particular video. So I try to develop myself that every video that I'm bringing here, there is something new, there is something spectacular about it. There is something that you will have to take home. Okay, that is very important, because a lot of problem that people have is creating one particular thing over and over again. You are still creating just this angle. You're still filming. Let's say, for example, you're filming like a vlog and that vlog is just still the same angle over and over again. At some point, people will get bored with what you are doing. So since I don't want people to get bored with what I'm doing, I try to bring different things that can bring vibes on the table. That is why if you check my videos, I don't only put out YouTube tutorials here. I don't only put out YouTube tutorials. You're going to see YouTube tutorials. I'm going to go ahead, research, work with apps and website that can actually bring money to your table, because these are what people want. These are what can actually help me and you to survive in the country, not only by coming here to watch YouTube tutorials. So that if you're not making money from YouTube yet, you can also make money from those apps and website that I'm actually trying to review. And a lot of people have been able to also subscribe to the apps and website. Those apps and website views might be very small or very little, but subscribers that are coming from there are not even coming from some of these videos that are having so much views. You understand what I'm trying to say? So these are the 7 amazing things that I was able to do to be able to elevate my YouTube channel from the level where it is to over 50,000 subscribers. Because right now, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm over 50,000 subscribers. Even in the video I did, my 50,000 subscribers video, it's over 50,000 subscribers already within just 60 days. Okay, within just 60 days, because all of this growth started just 2 months. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. If you've been following my channel, that this growth as a whole started 2 months ago, and it just picked up and everything just changed. YouTube changed my life. I became somebody very important at the end of the day. And yes, you too can be someone that is very important. All you need is just a matter of time. And if you're still in that level and you are like, oh, Vibe with Sonia, I don't even know what to do on my YouTube channel, I'm frustrated, I am tired, this is where Vibe with Sonia is here for you. Check the link in the description or check my, what they call it, the comment section. I'm going to be putting out my email out here, faithonoja3195, where I do my coaching and review on your channel. I'll be able to go into your channel to see what is working, what is not working, and how we can also join hands together to make it work. If you have any video in mind and you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question at all, also let me know. I'll be able to answer you. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.